Okay, y'all. I started not to film, but this came from Walmart, me and Walter, and I found a cheap rotisserie chicken. So I got it in the air fryer now. So let me show you. That's what I paid for it. And it looks kind of sad. That's the way it looks. So I set it for 12 minutes. I seasoned it. So we are hungry. I'll show y'all how it looks after it's done warming up. It's already done. It's a rotisserie chicken. And I couldn't beat that price, $2.81. And the expiration date is tomorrow. So we're going to eat that bad boy today. So just want to pop in. I haven't been filming that much. I've been trying to be respectful of Walter's feelings. Because he's grieving over his best friend passing. So I didn't want to be all up into filming and looking at videos. So that's where I've been these past couple of days. So I'll show y'all the chicken when it's heated through and through. Okay. Bye. Okay, that's how my little sad chicken looks. I'm about to cut into it. Okay. The skin is crispy, y'all. So this is Walter's plate, and this is mine. I like the breast and the wing. He likes the legs and the thighs. Okay.
I like wings.
Okay, that's all I want to show y'all. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up for this little impromptu video. Leave a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. It's free. And you all have a very blessed day. There you go, putting all this stuff on.
Trying to kill me, ain't you?
He said I'm trying to kill him because I left the little tie on the legs.
Yeah, choke you to death.
Well, you saw that. If you want to eat it, that's on you. Okay. Bye, y'all. Be blessed.